Are you testing your forecasting model enough? So let me tell you a case study. Almost around in 2002, there was a company, a very famous company called as Nike, had invested almost around 400 millions 400 million dollar in one of a supply chain software. And once it was implemented, after the implementation, it was expected that it would help in reduction of the inventory. But what happened was all the predictions the tool did, the software did, were brutally wrong. And the company have to suffer around 100 million of loss. 100 millions of loss. Yeah. And when the root cause analysis was done, and when they researched a bit, the reason found out, or the top reason for failing for the software to predict enough was testing. Enough testing was not done, and there were bugs which were there into the output or into the process, and that's why the prediction, the output was not good enough and it was wrong. So that's the point for today's discussion, that when you are building your forecasting model, my question is, are you testing it enough? So currently, the process followed in most of the organization is they'll split their data into 80 and 20. They will train their model on 80 and test it on 20, and if they get good accuracy bias, they are good to go ahead. But I'll suggest that we test our model more in different environments. Like for example, you can test it for different splits as well, like 70-30, 60-40. Give the model 3 to 4 more combinations for to be tested, not just only rely on 80-20 split. Along with that, I'll also suggest that you can change the quantity of data, input data or training data which you are giving to your model. Suppose you have tested a model for 3 years of data. See how it performs for 2 years of data or less data. So you can try doing different types of testing, different ways, reducing the quantity, having different splits of training testing data, and then eventually you launch it, implement it, and deploy it, and then take its output as a input for your supply chain planning. That's it for this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.